남매가 싸웠다는 신고로 경찰은 출동했습니다.
She is overly drunk. I guess her and my son got into it. My son left. I don't know what happened. I was
He
sleeping.
beat the shit out of me. He's not here.
I was woken by my
I
sleep.
have fucking prints and everything. So let's
Your boyfriend did that first of all.
Who?
Your neck or your
Who?
scratches juju.
Okay, so what is all these from? Is it not from him? It's not from him, right?
You want to know because it's right here.
Oh, okay.
I was asleep.
Oh, okay, you were asleep, so you don't know shit.
Do you need an ambulance?
I need an ambulance. I need the cops to get her fucking son. He's downstairs.
Do you want?
He's downstairs.
Hey, talk to me. Do you want an ambulance to check you out?
Where's the supervisor at?
That's me, Sergeant Andrews.
Okay, I need another person.
Do you need an
I
ambulance?
do it look like it?
I'm asking
Yes or
you.
no?
Yes. Do you want one or not?
On your specific fucking
Do you want one?
yes, ambulance, please.
Okay.
I also want an officer to arrest her son who beat the out of me, cause I do this myself, and he know that. That know that too. So you ready to throw me on the floor? You ready to do all that?
I threw you.
Stop lying.
I threw you on the floor.
Okay.
I threw you on the
Ambulance,
floor.
go arrest that
Yeah,
bitch.
arrest me then. Yes, because you are not in my face. I'm your
Not
mother.
your son. Fuck her. I'm the bitch. Cause she did this shit on purpose. She knows she did
I
this
was
shit.
asleep.
Stop it.
Okay.
She's a liar. Let's bring the cameras out.
We all have cameras on right now. Okay.
Yes. Look
All
at
right.
my I do this shit to myself.
Go talk with
She
them.
did that. She's a liar.
And then, okay. So this is your mom.
She shit to
That's
me.
her mom. That's her mom.
It's your mom. Okay.
No, she's not. She's an egg donor.
Okay.
She's never to me. She know that.
Do you live here?
She does.
No.
Okay. How about you?
I did this to
I don't live here.
myself.
It's my friend.
Did
This is
I?
your friend?
Can I speak with you outside?
Did I? No.
Upstairs asleep with my grandchildren. My grandson says, Grandma, they're fighting downstairs. I run downstairs. I got in the middle of both of them, my son and my daughter. But she just went off on me.
Is there a gun in the home?
I know, but supposedly one of her friends saw a gun. So yeah, she was home somewhere in her room.
Okay.
But I didn't fucking know about it. And you know how she was last time, so I'm scared about that too now.
오빠는 휴가 나온 군인이었는데 오빠 여자친구 앞에서 이상한 말을 해서 싸움으로 번졌습니다.
This nigga pushed me on the floor. Beat the me. Her son, who just came back from the fucking army, he beat the out of me because he was mad because his bitch was here. And I said, bro, you been cheating, this and that. I said what I said. Okay, I'm drunk. I said what I said. I said, you been cheating. This man beat the out of me. Her dumb bitch ass go sit right there and let him.
Can I speak with you outside?
I have the video.
Ma'am.
I can record. I have the video. It's proof. Can't nobody say nothing to the proof.
Sure, show me the video. What you got?
So whatever y'all gonna do, arrest me. Let's do this shit. Get over with. That. I don't give a fuck. I want some.
This is their friend.
Your
a family
his friend as well.
A family friend, yeah.
Who else is still in the house?
My grandchildren are upstairs.
Grandchildren upstairs. All right. She's saying that your son.
He left with his girlfriend.
Okay. That was probably the people in the other car.
He was. Is that the one that was in the military? Is
He's in the
that,
military, yes.
Yeah, okay. Is he here on leave? Because I remember last week he was here helping things out. Or helping.
Do you know if there's any sort of physical confrontation?
Yeah, between both of them.
There was? Okay. You know, like, can you describe what you had saw?
I wasn't here. I was upstairs sleeping.
Bitch, you're upstairs.
I wasn't upstairs.
Liar.
Just, yeah, don't engage her, just...
Upstairs.
Can you show us
Lex,
the
stop
video?
touching me.
Lex, show
Don't
us
touch
the
me.
video.
Don't touch me though. Don't touch me. What did you touch me for?
Huh? You're backing up into me.
I'm not. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Okay.
So she was the one making the comment about the gun, but you don't know...
I didn't see but someone else that they saw it.
Okay. Has she ever had a gun in the past that you're aware of?
I know of.
Okay.
This is new.
Take me to jail. Take me to jail. Let's go. Did he not put his hand on me first? Did he not?
Hey.
Bro, take me to jail. Take me to jail. Or shut the up.
How, do you know how much she had to drink?
No, I do not. They would celebrate my son because you're from the military. And I asked her not to drink because you know what happened last time.
Yep.
And this is what happened.
I need you to step away from me.
No, why? Because she judging off for, she doing all this weird looking and shit.
Step away from me.
Bitch, you judging off for character. Be for
I need
real.
to speak with her.
Do your job.
I arrest
I pay you. Do your job.
working with you being like this.
It's
She's
not
helping
working.
me.
She barely
I
speaks
work
to a
y'all.
family friend. How's she
Okay.
gonna speak to you?
She's fine.
She complete strangers
Just
there.
go ahead and
You
Will you get checked up? I arrest you.
Yes, but at the same time, can y'all check this nigga?
Okay.
Because he ran off and he beat the fuck out of me. This
Just for a second.
my dumb ass
I'm
mother.
just asking stuff.
Because he doing better than I am.
So,
He ordered-
have you been here the whole time, too?
I just came here to eat, man. Just
Okay,
came to hang out.
Okay, that's not what I asked. Have you been here the
I'm
whole
not telling
time?
you. I just came. No, I did not. I was not here.
Okay. Was he here earlier when this was going on?
They were all here. Everybody was here. I don't know
Okay.
what.
So I'm just asking, man. Just
I'm
be
just
honest.
telling you. No, I just came
All
here to
right.
eat.
Well, if you're not gonna tell me the truth, just step over from me. All right.
All right. I'm gonna help clean up the family home. Is that okay with you?
Fuck him.
So
Fuck her.
I'm just asking you a quick question. I don't know why you're getting rude.
Stop arguing with something.
So if you're not gonna be cooperative, man, just stay over here, alright?
오빠는 24살, 여성은 23살이었고 이런 난동도 처음은 아닌 듯 했습니다.
Y'all charging me with something?
Well, we gotta slow down and you gotta tell us what
Are you
happened.
I just told y'all this nigga beat the fuck out of me. How many times I gotta tell you? He in the army, 24, beat the out of me. This bitch been asleep. Now she wanna act like she fucking know. Just came downstairs after he beat the fuck out of me. Let's be fucking for real. Why is she still here looking stupid?
She's claiming that you have
Just
pushed
came
her.
downstairs after he beat the fuck
Okay,
out of me.
that's what she's claiming. Can you just tell me what happened? I'm not.
Yeah, they were whatever, everything. She started fucking throwing shit in my house. I sure did fucking push her.
Okay.
Shit in my face. Yep.
Because she hit you in the face, or
Pushed me.
okay, did it cause you any pain at all?
No.
No. How did she push you? How did you describe it?
With her hands.
Okay. Guadalupe at all strike each other.
Each other.
Do you have any inclination of what started their two's
I
interaction?
don't know. I was upstairs sleeping. She just said it too. I was upstairs sleeping. I got my grandson woke me out of my sleep.
Okay.
Your brother's in the army, right? How long does you guys have stayed together your whole life, pretty much, right? He's just been gone for.
Yes, he beat my before that. And now that he big as hell, my brother is big as fuck. He's twice the size as you. I'm only 100 pounds. I tell you this beat the out of me and threw my ass around. That's exactly what the he did. So yes, I'm mad. Yes, I'm teed up and I'm drunk, so I'm blue. The man just beat the out of me. He grown as hell. He in the army. He know better. He's mad. I swear to God, he's mad because I said, yo, did I not say that he with his new girlfriend? He want to talk with me, so I talk back. Now he's mad because the right here. Do you want me to spell it for you?
Was he here the last time we were here?
No, he wasn't. He was gone in Alabama, Georgia. He was gone. She know the facts. Act like you dumb. She know everything.
여성은 경찰에게도 나쁜 말을 하기 시작했습니다.
And those nails were broken out before I got down here.
Okay. And was that assuming that was between her because of her and Guadalupe fighting, or
Everybody tries to have her. She does it to herself sometimes.
Okay.
Threw me on my floor. Let's be fucking for real. Ain't been jumping out.
We get the ambulance just showed up, so we can get you checked out. You make sure your hand's okay. And
Are you gonna take me to jail?
well, right now we're concerned more about.
Bye. Where's sergeant?
We're
Is
gonna,
he the sergeant?
He's a sergeant, but we're gonna get you checked out for your hands quick.
Yeah.
Come get him.
Who let you be the sergeant?
Lexi,
Don't let nobody be you today.
Lexi, let's go outside and get checked out.
It's a domestic situation. We have to make sure for
But that's
everyone's
not domestic
safety.
with me though. And I was upstairs with my grandchildren
Okay,
sleeping.
you all live here. It meets the domestic criteria, and there's a disorderly conduct incident which we're responding to.
We're not saying anything that you.
I walked out of my house.
We understand that.
She did push me. I walked out of my house and she's done here. And I don't understand. I want to think against her
We
too.
still need the names.
Be you man. Be a woman support. Whatever the fuck you want
That's
to be.
just part of
Stop
our
being a
report that
stupid
has to be
ass
reported.
fucking cop ass bitch. Stop being a
I
bitch.
just gave you my damn names.
Why are you still sitting here looking stupid?
We're
Big
trying
eyed
to.
as hell, like looking like a
Lexi.
frog. Why you sitting
Lexi.
looking stupid? I'm saying though, like, what's wrong with you?
I'm great. How are you?
You're a girl though, right?
What does that have to do with anything?
Be fucking humane, bitch. Be a fucking cop ass bitch. Stop being a bitch. You sit here looking stupid. You're sitting here looking stupid, looking like a fucking upstuck ass bitch. Do your job. Stop paying your taxes, right? Okay.
Are you
Do
gonna
your
tell us
job.
Are you
What?
gonna tell us what happened?
Did I not?
No, that's why we keep asking the same question.
You're not asking. You're sitting here looking stupid. Did I not tell y'all? He beat my ass.
How did that happen?
Tell the story. What happened?
Tell the story. What
He-
did you do?
Can I talk to y'all? I'm tired of looking at
Let's
this
go
bitch.
outside.
I'm tired of looking at your stupid ass.
Let's go outside.
You look stupid, bitch. You look stupid. You look stupid.
Talk outside.
Fix your ponytail, bitch.
그녀는 상당히 취해 보였습니다.
Her stupid ass. She looks stupid as fuck. Bitch, you're a bitch. Talk to your fucking daddy or your mama.
What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Bro.
Ro.
Lexiana.
But you like Ro?
What?
What do you want
What
to
did you
call
just
you?
say?
What do you want
What
us
do you
to-
want us to call you?
Bro, get on my face, bro. Look at my hands. You ain't gotta tell me
I'm trying. I'm just saying. It looks like just your acrylics got ripped off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Bye.
Okay. Sounds
Bye.
You don't need any medical treatment or
That's
nothing?
it. Bye.
Anything else
Take
happen?
me to jail.
All right, Lexiana.
What, bro?
I know you said you got your
Take
ass
me
beat.
to jail, please.
For what?
Can I
would
get
you
my
take me-
gun? It's registered to me.
No, you can't have a gun when
It's
you're drunk.
registered to me.
Not when you're drunk. Well, where can we go for tonight?
I don't have a dad, bro.
Do you have
This
somewhere?
bitch- I don't have nobody.
So mom wants a 72-hour enforced
She does
because,
want to do paperwork. Okay.
well, we don't know if she was defending herself or brother, but she's done correct herself before. I've been here plenty of times, and she's like,
Yeah, I mean her nails are always broken every time.
yeah.
경찰은 체포를 시작했습니다.
All right.
He's mad because I said his He was
Put
cheating
your
on
hands
his
behind your
bitch.
back, okay?
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Okay?
You're gonna go to jail.
Nope. Don't resist. Don't
Just
resist.
put your hands behind
Hands
your
behind your back.
That's cool.
That's where you want to
But
go.
what's the reason though? What's the reason?
Yep. Domestic disorderly conduct at minimum. Okay.
Oh, how?
Don't turn. What's that?
How?
Because you
Wanna
live
take
here.
this
Stop
first
turning your
off?
wrist. Stop turning your wrist. Just relax. Just
Bro,
relax.
how though?
Stop turning.
How though?
Stop
I got
turning.
You're a bitch.
Nope.
Fuck you, bitch. How you say I want arrested for nothing though? How you say I want arrested for nothing?
Stop resisting.
How you
Let
say
go of the
I'm arrested for
handcuff.
nothing?
Stop
Or-
resisting.
I'm
Let
not-
go of
I'm
the.
not doing nothing.
Yes, you are.
I'm not holding on to nothing though. What am I holding on to?
You're holding on to my
Relax.
handcuff. Now let
How
me put
am
your
I holding on
handcuff.
to
Just stay right here.
I'm holding on to your handcuff. I'm holding on to your handcuff. Yo, shit on, right? I'm holding on to your handcuff.
Yes, you were.
How? You dumbass bitch. You're a
Whoever takes
dumbass
their
bitch.
photos of it.
Grab my hand.
I'm not
Stop.
grabbing your
Yes,
hand.
you
What the
are.
fuck
You
you
just
talking
grabbed
about?
my hand.
You're a
Stop.
lying ass, Kenosha ass bitch. Shut your Caucasian ass up, bitch. You're a fucking liar. You're a liar. Can you get my phone to my? Can you get my phone to my mom? Bitch, you
Stand
know.
up for us.
Yay. Special treatment, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Well, fuck you. All of your mom's not proud.
Don't spit at me.
I'm not gonna spit on you. Bro, shut the up, you dumbass police ass bitch. Someone else spit on you. Bitch, I'll never spit on you. You know that. Can I have a whole nother sergeant? Stop talking to me.
Stop.
Stop. I don't want him touching me.
Stop. In the
I don't
car.
want him touching me. Let you talk to me.
In the car.
Let you touch me. Stop let go of me.
Okay, let's just
Stop let go of me. Let go of me. Fucking ass nigga. I'll get in the car for you.
Thank
Stop
you.
touch me though.
He's done.
Him. Bro, stop touching. Get him away from me. Before I report this bitch. Away from me. Get him away from me.
It's a seatbelt.
Get him away from me. Wait.
여성은 발로 차량을 차기 시작했습니다.
We should have it in house, but yeah.
Okay.
Bro,
Stop
I don't
taking.
get me out of a whole different car.
No.
I don't want to be in this car
I
with
don't
him.
care.
I don't give a either. This nigga gonna rape
Do
me
not
wherever the
kick cars.
you. Can you give me a different car?
No.
I don't want to be in this car with him. I
If we
just
have to hobble you, we will.
I don't want to be in this car with him. I just admitted it. I
Doesn't
said
matter. Get in.
It does matter. Bitch, I'm a whole citizen.
I
Fuck you
don't
talking
care.
about. Bro, I don't want to be in this car with him.
Get in.
Bro, stop touching me. I'll report
Get in
your
the-
Stop,
You report me as a-
stop touching me.
Do not kick it.
Stop touching me. Stop. I don't want to be in this car with him. He's gonna rape
Doesn't
me.
matter.
Go ahead. Y'all body cam all right? Y'all body cam all right?
Yep.
Okay,
You want to play this game?
let's do it. I don't want to be in the car. I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. Please, officer. I'm scared of him. I'm scared. I'm scared of him. I'm uncomfortable. I'm scared.
Get in the car. And
I'm
stop it.
scared. I'm uncomfortable and I'm scared. I'm uncomfortable.
You alright? Alright, let's get the shackles. Get the shackles.
I'm scared and I'm uncomfortable. I'm scared and I'm uncomfortable. I'm scared and I'm uncomfortable. How many times I gotta say it?
Either call a transport or.
I'm scared and I'm
We
uncomfortable.
can get shackles and
I'm uncomfortable in this car.
the door.
Put me in a different car.
You can't kick the window.
Put me in a different car. I'll be. Bro, stop touching me.
Alexiana, stop
I'm
it.
not. I'll be in the car, bro.
Stop.
No. I'm not
Cut it out.
This wait for this. You're a weak ass.
I put it on the ground.
Bitch, I weigh 90 pounds. Oh, y'all doing it for 90 pounds? You're a weak ass bitch. You're weak as hell. You're weak as hell. You're weak as hell. No big, weird face ass bitch. Face shaped weird as hell, dumbass. You look stupid, bitch. I know you used to get bullied in high school, dumbass. You look stupid,
Okay.
bitch. Let's go. Can we go? Bro, get
like
this
to.
bitch off of me. Why is this bitch on me? Bro, get this off of me, bitch. Bro, get her off me. Why is she still touching me?
Alright, watch your feet. Watch your
Why
feet.
is she touching me? Get
got-
somebody else to do it. Why stop y'all disrespectful as hell. Why get off of me? Bitch, I'm not spit on you in real life, bitch.
Hey.
You want dare catch me outside.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't
Bro,
do it.
stop touching
Don't
my
do it.
bro. What am I gonna
Don't
do?
do it.
Stop touching
All
me.
right,
What am
clear.
I gonna do?
Go ahead and clear feet.
What am I gonna
Back
do?
up, back up, back up.
Okay, stop touching me. Ass nigga.
여성은 경찰 폭행, 공무집행방해, 경찰 협박으로 기소되었습니다. 시외버스를 무임승차한 여성이 있다는 신고로 경찰은 출동했습니다.
Oh, I got like a young
young wife now inside. She's a little bit crazy, but I want her to be trespassed.
Yeah. This one? Yeah. Hey. Are you with anybody else or just alone?
No, I'm alone.
Okay. So security here, they're giving you a warning right now. They want you trespass from here. I mean, security here, they're giving you a warning right now and they want you trespass, meaning you can't come back, right? So they're denying you service and they just want you to leave at this point.
I'm gonna get my ticket.
You're gonna get your ticket, you're gonna have to go somewhere else.
What do you mean somewhere else?
So yeah, you can't stay here. After this warning, if you stay here, come back, anything, you're subject to arrest, right?
But sir, you don't understand.
Alright, so listen, for the night, they're not going to sell you a ticket. For whatever reason, you guys had an argument or whatever, they want to refuse services. So they're asking you to leave the property. If you refuse to leave, you're going to go to jail.
But I'm charging my phone.
It doesn't matter, you have to go somewhere else.
Are you for real?
Yes.
For real, yeah.
So please gather your belongings and make your way off
But sir,
property.
you're not even listening to me.
There's no option on this. This is a decision off of the business, and we're just telling you what the business
But
is
I'm gonna buy
requesting.
the freaking ticket.
You're not going to buy a ticket. They're not going to sell you anything.
Why?
We're
That's
not
wrong.
going to sit here and explain it. Gather your belongings.
Can you just
Stand
give me
up.
a second?
No, go ahead, gather your things. Make your way outside.
¿Puedes salir un momento fuera conmigo?
¿Ustedes están juntos?
No.
No, sino que ella le van a depositar un dinero y estoy consiguiendo la cuenta de seller que nos van a transferir por parte de allá para comprar el ticket. Están enviando para que le envíe.
That's wrong, sir, what you're doing. And you're not even letting me explain.
Pero no, disculpe.
There's no need to explain. This is what the business wants, and you just have to comply,
¿Qué
okay?
dice que no le entiendo?
Que este negocio no quiere vender un ticket a ella porque ella estaba haciendo un show más temprano. Y si ella no vaya, ella va a ir para la cárcel.
몇 번이나 설명한 끝에 여성은 일어났습니다.
You guys are wrong. You're not listening.
Exit this way.
Exit that way.
Exit that way.
That's fucked up. You guys don't do your job.
Other way, ma'am. You gotta go to your right. You have to leave property.
It's completely off of the property. So the parking lot, everything. If you need to make a phone call to, let's say, have someone pick you up, just do that across the street. You can't do it here. Understand?
Why did you do it here?
This is still the property. We're still giving you a chance right now, right? To explain, this is the property. You have to head on out.
Update for 8:30 p.m. You guys are fucked up. I'm not leaving.
You're not leaving? Again, I'm going to give you a chance. If you do not leave, you're going to go to jail. That's the next option.
Vamos para afuera porque yo no pongo un problema porque te van a arrestar. Tiene que hacer caso a la ley, en serio.
Ma'am, you gotta keep walking.
I'm not gonna keep walking.
Listen, I'll say this one last time. Get off property or go into jail.
Mira, yo no me quiero meter en problemas
Pick up your
contigo,
bag
con
and
ella.
continue to walk.
Yo te estoy haciendo un favor para que te deposite tu dinero. Si quieres, es lo que le importa.
A mí
que tú
tampoco
salgas
me
aquí.
importa. Ellos no me quieren escuchar.
Is
yo
she
no les
leaving
voy a
or not?
escuchar a
Yo te
ellos.
entiendo, yo te entiendo. Por eso te estoy ayudando con lo de la cuenta.
Alright.
¿Entiendes? Vamos.
Step back.
Ok.
You're under arrest. Not pissed off.
Don't resist. Stop pulling back.
Scratch me again, see what happens.
Let me know when you're ready.
No! Hold on!
Oh, she just got fat Leo charges.
My phone!
Scratch it? Yeah.
I need my phone!
No.
We're going to go to the car.
Ow! 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 Hold on! You're hurting me!
You should have thought about that before you just attacked a police officer.
You're hurting me! Ow! Ow! Please! Please stop! You're hurting me!
Spread your legs.
Spread your feet.
You're hurting me, sir! Please!
Stop moving.
Please stop! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! Please! 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 You're hurting me!
Okay.
You're hurting me!
One sec. She has money on the side.
That's mine!
Yes, it's going to go with you. Don't worry. Ready?
Yep.
My shoe!
a report now for this. You want to just take the whole thing?
Yeah, sure. I'm giving you another chance just to make stuff easy, right? Like the same way I was giving you a chance to leave willingly so that this didn't happen. I'm giving you a chance right now to just say your name and your date of birth. No?
여성은 경찰 폭행, 무단 침입으로 기소될 것 같습니다. 911로 한 여성의 전화가 걸려왔습니다.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
North Sprinker Avenue, North Sprinker Avenue. I was just talking. Don't talk over me.
County.
Do not talk over me.
Ma'am, what's
Oh,
going
you're
on there?
welcome. Thank you for talking over me. The fuck?
So what's going
Okay,
on
but
at
I
318
am
North
talking.
Sprinker?
I am talking, though. That means do not talk over me. I am the one with the emergency. I am the one who is about to fucking pay you guys through my taxes, through my call. Right? Yes or no?
Can you tell me
Yes
what's going
or
on
no?
at 38? Ma'am,
You
if you're
tell
going
me
to
yes or
continue
no.
to yell, I'm
Tell
going
me
to
yes or
disconnect
no.
the call. Have a good
Tell
day.
me.
Bye-bye.
I'm not. Hello.
Hi.
Sorry about that.
That's quite all right. What's going on?
A domestic dispute.
Okay.
And it's over.
Everybody's okay?
Everybody's okay.
Are you the one who called?
No, my daughter did.
On you?
No, on my son.
All right, well, I need to talk to him. I need to see him.
It is. You can see him. It's fine. It's. I'll have him come out if you don't mind.
It's fine. Is there any weapons involved?
No, we don't. I have one in the safe. It's locked up. You need to. You cannot do that.
I'm here.
You have to unlock the door.
I'm here. Open the door, please.
He's
That's fine.
not.
I'm not coming in.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Keep the door open.
No, I'll shut the door.
No, this is not an option. I'm going to stay right here, as I'll respect that.
My mom said she'll be right back. That means you work for us, sir. I called you.
Appreciate that.
Okay, so can you
No.
put your foot... You are violating my privacy. I need to shut the door.
Do you understand I'm here because you called? So you
called?
made me your business, okay?
Yeah,
And
well,
all I
then they
wanna
hung
do-
up on me, so...
Listen, that wasn't me. Don't take that out on me. I'm only here to help, to understand what happened. And then I'm going to walk away if everybody's okay. It's easy. I'm
I
not
would
trying
like to shut the door.
I don't want you to do that. I want to make
You
sure I
don't
talk
have
to
a
you.
warrant to come in my house.
I'm not coming in.
Emily, stop arguing.
You guys want to talk to me, please?
Stop arguing.
About what?
Emily.
Have a good afternoon.
What's going on?
Please.
Would you want to step outside and talk to me?
Yeah, you can step outside so I can shut the door finally because he wants to violate my fucking privacy.
Emily,
No,
stop
it's so
it.
fucking wrong, dude. It's
Emily.
so wrong.
여성은 경찰에게도 까칠했고 어머니와 동생은 매우 지쳐 보였습니다.
Pay him with our
Settle
taxes,
down.
dude. Like,
I know she called the cops because she was being really disrespectful. And I threw away her bacon and I told her to leave. And then I got really upset. I picked up the tote, I dropped the tote, and then I went into my room. Yeah, she went outside and called the police.
Is this normal?
Unfortunately, it is.
I'm not passing judgment. Please don't misunderstand any of this.
I'm not.
This is what you're dealing with.
Yes.
Sometimes it's easier than other times,
Yes.
and right now it just kind of crossed the line.
Yep.
Did anybody put hands on anybody?
No.
Okay.
We all have different views on life, and we all want to live differently, and it's not happening.
I respect all that.
I can't kick them out. They're my kids,
I understand.
and we're trying to all deal with this.
How old is she?
She's 22. He's 20, and she's 22. Yeah, it's really quiet here.
If you're telling me you're good, you can go on this.
경찰이 딱히 할 수 있는 건 없었습니다. 그때 그녀가 다시 나타났습니다.
you know, I would like to say something. I like how I call you guys in a real emergency. This was a real emergency 10 minutes ago. But I like how I call you guys in a real emergency 7 years ago when my life was literally threatened and I'm like literally about to die. And you guys take an hour and a half to show up. I like how I call and I scream at you guys and then you show up like that. Like snap of the fingers.
Can you please go in?
194.
So I was here quick, and you're telling me to get lost. I mean, it can't be both ways. We're doing the best we can. I only came here to help, and you're giving me this. What can I do
Good
for
job
you?
on 10 precinct. Since we have to go with
I just wanted to
CFD,
de-escalate
875
the
Woodwood,
situation.
number
I was
3 on the
fixing
diabetic
dinner.
emergency.
I was fixing breakfast, and my brother throws all of my food away in the trash and starts screaming at me. So I just wanted to de-escalate the situation. It's de-escalated now. Thanks for coming. Bye. Huh?
Okay. So
what?
you're in a better place now,
You
right?
walk away?
You're in a better place now. My question would be, were you treating your brother the way you're treating us? Because that might have something to do with the problem.
Y'all need to leave now.
Well, guess who's in charge?
Mom, can you tell them to leave, please?
Good luck.
Thank you.
There's counseling available. It exists in the world.
And I'm in it. Thanks. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have to be rude.
All right. How old is this child? She's 22. Wow.
그녀는 아무런 처벌도 받지 않았습니다. 미국에서는 부모가 자식을 집에서 퇴거시키는 경우가 있는데 가장 유명한 사건은 마이클 로톤도입니다. 22살에 실직하고 다시 본가로 들어온 그는 8년 동안 부모님과 같이 살았는데 그 과정에서 갈등이 극에 달했습니다. 결국 부모 측에서는 아들이 집세도 내지 않고 집안일도 돕지 않는다며 집에서 나갈 것을 서면 통지했지만 아들은 전혀 움직이지 않았습니다. 부모는 결국 소송을 했고 법원에서 재판이 열렸습니다. 그는 변호사 없이 스스로를 변호했는데 나는 가족이기 때문에 퇴거 6개월 전에는 알려줘야 한다. 집안일을 돕지 않은 것으로는 퇴거시킬 수 없다. 나는 아직 준비가 안 됐다. 라고 변호했지만 부모 측의 승리였습니다. 당장 집에서 쫓아낼 수도 있었지만 10일의 여유를 줬고 그는 마지막 날까지 버티다 집을 나왔습니다. 보통은 이런 식으로 재판까지 가는 경우가 드물기 때문에 세간의 주목을 받았고 한 뉴스에서는 그를 인터뷰하기도 했습니다.